Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bluesound Pulse SoundBar, either a Generation 1 or a 2i, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the soundbar not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your devices, or if you're having any kind of connectivity issues where it's not working or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you want to get this back to the way it was when it was new, coming out of the box with all the settings wiped off of it, we can do that pretty easily. All we need to do is, first of all, we're going to disconnect our soundbar from the power outlet, unplug it basically, and wait for 30 seconds. Once that happens, we can go ahead and plug it back in and just watch the LED indicator light. And once that LED indicator turns red, we can go ahead and press and hold the standby button on the rear panel of the soundbar. And then we're just once we hit that standby button, the LED will immediately turn green and then turn red. So just keep on holding the button for about 30 seconds after that. And after about 30 seconds, the LED will blink red, at which point you can go ahead and release the button, allow it to complete its reset, and go ahead and set it up as a new device.